Everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I'm going to do a deconstructed bloom on a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas, and the colors that I'm going to use today are all Prizm pour. So the first color that I have, it's called Claret, which is this beautiful color, and I mixed all of them with the vivid enamel pouring medium, the pouring medium that they have. The second color that you see, it's going to be Twilight Violet, pretty color. The next color that you see, it's going to be winter. No, this one is actually, let me tell you the name. This is Peacock. This one is Blue Violet. I'm sorry, this one is not Peacock. This one is actually Water Dragon. This one is Peacock. I love this color. It's so pretty. The next dark color that you see, it's called Black Iris. Very interesting color. I want to see how it shows up. Then I have the Prizm pour. It's kind of orangey shade, and it's called Golden Poppy. So these are my color choices for today. So I have mixed the vivid enamel pouring medium and also a dash of Sonja water just to thin it down a bit. So when you do a deconstructed bloom, first thing you have to make sure that you have plenty of base coat on your surface. Then you start layering. Today I want to start with Indian yellow because I feel like this gives a nice background. So that's my Indian yellow. Then I need to add a little bit more water to some of these colors. black cell activator. See, as I blow, I am holding my hair dryers diagonally and it's on cool setting. And as I blow, I try to, so you see all those waves, I kind of focus on one of the waves and start pushing that wave towards outside. So that's how I blow. The idea is you are spreading a thin layer of cell activator on top of your other paintings and you are stretching it at the same time. There's nothing wrong if you go back and try to stretch your cell activator a little bit more further. It's completely fine. Now I am creating another puddle right next to the previous one. And on this one, I am just playing with the colors because the reason I'm practicing this one, this is actually my practice piece. If it works out well and it holds up really well, I want to do a big piece using Prizm pour, and I will use the deconstructed bloom technique. Just making sure that I have enough paints surrounding the blooms when I stretch them, I don't want them to roll under the canvas. So I just took some paints which were spilled on the sides and used my hand to smother it on the surface. I love the center part of the canvas. It gives such a beautiful watercolor effect. It's kind of blends in. It's really pretty, and I hope it dries that way. Right now, all I'm doing is I'm stretching my paint so I don't have too much left. If I have too much left, I am going to get some cracks. So I'm just trying to make sure that I can get rid of enough paint. At the same time, I have the beautiful lacing and the cells on my canvas. I just turned it the other way. So this is what we get from Prizm Pour. Only non-Prizm Pour color that I used was Indian yellow because I wanted it to pop out on the center. That's what it did. Other than that, the lacing and the colors, they look really pretty. I'm going to stop and measure how much paint I have on my surface, because depending on how much paint I have on the surface, it depends on how, if my canvas is going to crack or not. So see, this much it sank, so I think I still have a little more than I like. Okay, let's stop here. I love the lacing here, and I love the watercolor effect here, which is really pretty. I got some weird cells here, which is okay for me. I am really enjoying this piece. And this is Phyllis, the Prizm pour, and I hope you can see the layers. It's so pretty. Let's see how it dries. And let me bring you down before I let it dry. So this is my dry result from Prizm pour. One thing I'm really liking is the shininess, like it feels like I already have a top layer put on it. See the, okay, let me show you. See, this is the level of shininess you are getting. Well, I was trying to hide it, but I'll show you. I messed up here as I was letting it dry, and I walked by and my pajamas got into here. So that's kind of a bummer. Other than that, again, look at this, it dried so beautifully, and the laces and the cells are so beautiful, and the Prizm pours really held up with their colors, as you can see. So yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.